Hi, today we are going to see this platform. I'm going to show you this short tutorial about Blackboard. Blackboard is a platform that we can use in our institution to have the communication with our students. You can send pictures, homeworks, you can receive, check videos, etc. So the first step that you have to do is go to the Google, find Blackboard. Then you have to try Blackboard. Of course, this is free for some days, but if your institution is going to use it, you have to pay it. But I'm going to explain you. You can try. If you are going to try, you have to fill with your information here, and then you are going to click in register now. So when you register now, you are going to go to your email, and you are going to receive your email. You are going to receive your password and the username, and you are going to log in, and then you are going to start here login in this one. I already signed it, so I have the access for this, and this is the platform Blackboard. In the first, you have in this left side, you are going to find all the benefits that we can use in this platform. Institution page, you can write all the information about the institution. Okay, in this case is your information as a teacher. Activity stream, you can check all the activities that you are going to do. If you have homeworks, messenger, announcements, photo, so you can find here info dates. And courses, in this you can create your courses as a teacher. If you are going to teach on a specific courses, so you can assign, you can modify the image, you can create many things. So I'm going to explain later how you are going to create your courses. Then we have the organizations. You can organize if you have many courses. You can only search what is your course, and it's going to have all the information. You can to make an order. Then we have the calendar. In this calendar, you are going to find if you have a specific activity, if you have something important, so you are going to see it. In message, you are going to find all the messages that you can send to your students or your students send you, okay, for any information. Grades, if all the assignments, homeworks, forums, your students is going to find here the grades. Okay, you can check anything, any assignment. You can check if your students do it. You can write the grades, and the students is going to check it. We have the assist, that this is new. We have different tools, and you are silent. So, courses. How you are going to create your courses? You can choose. Here is some some do it, but you can change it. I already changed here. You can click there, and you can in this space you can find your image. You can load a new image, any image that you want, and you can change for the image that you want in your course. Of course, has to have these pixels. Then if you are going to write some description of your class, you are going to write, and you are going to save it. So I already signed this this image. Then you can if you are going to create a poster that everyone see it, you can do it. Okay, so here for as an instructor, course assign, Your role is instructor. Okay. So all information about you and your students, all your students. Courses groups, if you are going to create the different courses, maybe. Process, if you have some 3, 4, 5 courses, you can assign to your students and all the information about your course. Okay, so process tracking, turn on, course image, you can change, course is open, Blackboard collage for your sessions, you can assign the sessions, attendance, you are going to check the attendance of your students, announcements that you are going to create to your students, books and tools that your students is going to use for them, questions. Okay, you can assign if you want to add another course. Okay, so we are going to here. In this, you are going to create a model. Okay, in this case, I already created. You can edit a model, visible for our students, or you can hide it. Okay, it's your option as your teacher. If you, the description, I write model 1, or you can create a first semester or first week, I don't know, it's your option. And you are going to save it. Okay. So in this, you are going to here, you can add all that you want for your students. If you want to create a new one, so I'm going to create a new one. So I choose that is a learning model, folder, document, link, teaching tools, screen page, assessment, plus a test, assignment, participation, engagement, discussion, journal. Okay, I don't know what we are going to add for our students. So for example, I'm going to choose learning model. In learning model, you are going to write the name of the model that you are going to start with this course. Write some short description. Okay. And if you want your students visible or hidden for some dates you are going to make visible, you are going to write learning model. You can change the date that it started. I am going to do it. Description, I can say first block. First block. So I'm going to save it. And automatically you can see it here. New learning model, hidden. This is hidden for our students now. First block. So I continue adding something. I'm going here in this model. I'm going to create. For example, I can add a document if you want some information, link, teaching tools, connection, assessment. So let's see, I'm going to assign a discussion. So you can write here the name of your discussion. For example, my first day. My first day. So you can write here the question. How do you feel in your first day of class? first day of class. So you write here your question. And then you can assign to your students. Okay, you can change here the letter. Okay, the size. Okay, it's color, and I save it. So if you want to check, I have to do it if visual for my students, if I want they see it now, or if not, I'm going to be visible when I want. So you can check it. First day, my first day. How do you feel? So you can add it. Then, for example, I'm going to add an announcement. I want to the announcement is here. If you want to add an announcement, I already post one here. For example, hello, welcome to your new class, and you can add a image or you can add videos. So it's some important information you can add in this announcement. You can add more announced, and your students can see it. Okay, so you can continue add here many things. You can create and assess a test, assessment, or a test. You can write the date, when is the test, the grade category of the test, the grading points, how many points do I need to add it, attempts allowed, original report. So you can add, students can add text, image, and files here. So you can create your assignments in this. For example, test. So you can write all the information here, the date and the hour that is going to be our test. So you can see all the information here. You can check what you want, the test, attempt 1 points, 100, and you can save. Submission view. Okay. So you as a teacher, you can create all about the assignments, the time, the goal. You can assign to your groups, etc. So you can write the name. So all that you are going to create, it's going to be visible here. Okay, forums and many things. If you are going to check how your students is going to see it, you can view for them. So I think that this is a good platform that you can use it, and it's useful because you can add many things and check it. So your students is going to see here the model 1, and they have the forum and all the information that we add as a teacher. So I think that is a good platform that we can use in our institutions to have a good communication with our students.